How to change size of composition in After Effects. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. Now it's actually very easy to do, and the very first time when you create a new project or composition, you will be brought to this right over here. Now here you can obviously select your resolution and then hit OK. But how can we actually change this afterwards? Well, it's actually super easy to do. What you want to do is go to composition right over here in the top left. And once you've clicked on there, you can actually see composition settings right over there. Now, these settings are basically exactly the same as I just showed when you want to create a new composition. Now, here you have a bunch of presets, which you can choose. But if you would like to simply change it to a custom resolution yourself, then you can do that right over here. Now, keep in mind, though, that it's currently locked to the aspect ratio of 16:9, which means this is just a regular screen, like the YouTube resolution, right? Or like your monitor or your TV if you don't have an ultra wide monitor. So that is 16:9, and if I were to move this up, then the height will also move up and down, and same goes for the height and the width. So these just move, stay in the 16:9 resolution. Now let's just put this back to 1080. Now let's say I want to choose a different resolution. So I want to, for example, invert this. This is like your phone screen, or like the TikTok or Instagram Reels resolution right over there. It's like now it's 9:16, so it's basically the other way around. Then you can do that, and now we can enable this again, and then I can move these around just like that, which is pretty nice. Then you can simply hit OK or hit enter, and then you have now changed your resolution of your composition in After Effects. I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and then I will see you next time.